That window is closing on Edmonton. My personal belief, I think that in the next 5 years, I don't think Edmonton's going to be the city that everybody's been saying it's been for the last 10 years. I think our window of opportunity is closing.
Yeah, the cash flow window is closing. And Wayne might be saying that he's not going to sit up here and tell you which neighborhoods to go into and which asset types to be looking at to find cash flow, but the teachings are there to go and be able to find them. And I know specifically you guys are, interested in the Mastering Real Estate Investing in Edmonton course that we also have available. And Wayne literally drives through the Edmonton areas on Google Maps. You know how you can
in the course,
scooch through, and goes through all the neighborhoods in Edmonton and highlighting this is where you find these types of properties. This is where you find those types of properties. So the better you get to know whatever city you want to invest in, it doesn't have to be Edmonton, it can be any city, but the better you get to know it and all of the neighborhoods and you do that deep digging, you're going to figure out on your own. You don't need somebody to highlight it for you. You should be able to know whatever city you want to invest in inside and out and know how to find those opportunities yourself. Because you don't want somebody just being like, oh, okay, yeah, go buy this deal. Right?
You want to teach a man to fish, not give him a fish.
Exactly.
That's exactly it. And I know it doesn't sound very good, but it's the truth.
100%, you know what I mean? I get that.
And it just takes time. It just takes time. And I would love to be able to share it with you. I mean, heck, if you came up here in 2019 and you said, hey, what should I buy? I probably would have said suited houses. But would I say that same thing right now? Yes. I mean, suited houses still do work, but do they work as well as what they did back in 2018? No. And someone might say that townhouses are amazing right now. They're the best properties in Edmonton. But in 2019, I would have told you they cash flow $40 a door. And everyone's like, ugh. You know what I mean? The market also goes like this as well. And you got to be able to spot the opportunities. So it doesn't do you guys any good by me telling you what's working this week, because next week it's going to be different. The whole point is that I need to be able to teach you how to spot it, how to spot the trends between the real estate market and the rental market. Because constantly the real estate market's going like this and the rental market's going like this. And you kind of have to spot those opportunities where it makes sense for both of them. There needs to be that gap there. Otherwise, there's no opportunities. And what I'm saying is, and I don't mean to be all doom and gloomy on a Sunday morning, but the window for Edmonton is drying up. Our prices are going up, which is great. How many of you guys own properties in Edmonton? Yeah, it's going to be awesome. It's been awesome. You've seen the prices go up, right? They're going to continue to keep going up, but I don't think the rents are going to keep going up. And there lies the problem. As long as the prices keep going up, everybody who owns property, everyone who owns toilet paper is going to be, selling it for a big profit. If you go and try and get in a few years from now when the prices are higher and the rents are still low, you're not going to have cash flow anymore. And it's going to be a very, very difficult investment, which is a lot higher risk. So